What's That Noise? By Francesca Simon and David Melling. One night, Harry went to sleep at Grandpa and Grandma's house. For the first time in his life, Harry slept in a strange bed, in a strange room. It was very dark. Suddenly, Harry heard a strange noise. Sputter-click, sputter-click, whoosh! "Grandpa, Grandpa, come quickly!" shouted Harry. "What's that noise?" Grandpa ran upstairs to Harry's room. No noise here, no noise there, no noise anywhere. Then suddenly, sputter-click, whoosh! "Harry, it's only the radiator. Now snuggle down and go to sleep." Everything was quiet until, "Nino, Nino, Grandpa, Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise?" "Harry, it's only a fire engine. Nino, Nino. Now, snuggle down and go to sleep." Everything was quiet again until, rumble, rumble, rumble. "Grandpa, Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise?" "Harry, it's only an aeroplane. Rumble, rumble, room. Now, snuggle down and go to sleep." Everything was quiet until, rat-tat, rat-tat, rat-tat-tat. "Grandpa, Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise?" "Harry, it's only Mrs. Ruffle next door hammering. Rat-tat, rat-tat, rat-tat-tat. Now snuggle down and go to sleep." For a while everything was quiet. Grandpa settled down in his comfy bed and read his book. Suddenly he heard a strange snuffling noise. Snuffle, snuffle. "Grandma, Grandma, come quickly. What's that noise?" "I don't know," said Grandma. They heard the snuffling, rustling again, only this time it was louder. Snuffle, snuffle. "I think the noise is coming from Harry's room," whispered Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa tiptoed up the stairs to the attic. The snuffling noise got closer and closer. Slowly, Grandma opened Harry's door. "Grandpa, it's only Harry, snuffling and snoring. Now, snuggle down and go to sleep."